In today's video, I want to show you guys how to import a spreadsheet, an Excel spreadsheet, into Oracle using the SQL Developer tool. So what you need to do is connect to your database, and you're going to go to the tables folder, and you're going to right click and say import data. Then you're going to browse your folders for the file that you would like to import. So I'm importing a file named March 2022 time card, and it's going to preview and show you what it sees in the file. So as you can see, there's 7 columns, and you've got a date followed by various company names and the amount of hours on each day of that month. And you can override some things here about, basically the format you're using. You can pick the sheet that you're importing on the Excel spreadsheet. I'm just importing sheet 1. You can tell if you want to skip rows, and you can give it the limit. This is just how many rows it's going to scan to try and infer as much information about the data as possible. So I'm going to click to the next screen. And now I need to give the table name that I'm going to import it into. I'm going to create a new table here. So I'm going to call it stage time card. And now it's asking you which columns you want to import. You can drag over columns maybe you don't want. I'm going to import all of them. And on this screen, you're going to have the ability to override the names that it inferred when it scanned the spreadsheet, as well as the data types. And I've got a little exclamation point here, an error saying, hey, you can't name this date. And that's because date is a reserved word in Oracle. So I'm going to call this time card date. And I'm just going to click through the rest of the columns. You could go in here and override these into some other data type if you wanted to. I'm going to keep what I've got here. And you can also change the name as we did with date. As you can see, as I'm clicking through them, they're changing from italics to boldface, meaning that they've been reviewed. I've gone through each of the columns, and now I'm going to click to the next screen. And it's just asking you to finalize all the information and click finish. And if everything goes well, it'll say you'll get this message: import data, task successful, and import committed. And then I'm just going to show you how to look at the data. Selecting from the table. And as you can see, all of our data got imported each day for the month of March. So that's it. That's how you import an Excel spreadsheet into Oracle using SQL Developer. For today's video, thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. If you guys are liking the videos, please consider subscribing to the channel and spread the word. This is a key time of the year, I think, with school starting up. My ideal audience is, a lot of college students looking to get into computer science, or maybe someone who maybe just graduated and is just starting out, or if somebody's just looking to change fields and get into computer science and working with database, this is the channel. So please consider subscribing and spreading the word to anybody you know that might be interested. And if you have questions, just drop them below and I'll try and answer them. Thanks. Bye.